Let's be honest, we have all spent hours making a thumbnail only to get 12 views. Are you crazy? So today I am testing Thumbs AI. This tool claims it can create professional YouTube thumbnails in minutes. Follow me how to use this AI for making thumbnail. Before login, I will just tell you one thing. Many people wants to buy multiple softwares, but they always want to check it before using it. Here we have a free version in which we have 20 credits or 20 points which we can use for making thumbnail. So you just need to click here, start for free. You can just log in with the help of Google or any other account. So here on the top right corner you can see total number of credits 18, but they gave me total 20 and I used 2 credits for making one thumbnail. It is the good thing to check, is it a good AI for making thumbnails? So after that you can buy. This is the explore section in which you can see multiple thumbnails and different categories, different niche. So here we have gaming, memes, sports, clickbait, cinematic, luxury, etc. So here we have also style. In styles you can add also your own styles you can create by yourself. So you can use these features in your thumbnail. By selecting these features, just tell in the prompt how you want to use these features. So in subject we have these type of features: text, background, hook. Here you can see like I have already made one thumbnail. So next section is create thumbs. You just need to click here. In this section we have two different things. One is text to thumbnail and the other one is image to thumbnail. So in text to thumbnail you can just add your prompt. You can make prompt with the help of any other AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. So it's up to you. After that you can add templates. Let's suppose you want to add this template and you want the thumbnail just like this one. So you can just click here, select the relevant template for your own thumbnail, then add all the prompt according to your own video. If you want to change anything you can. So if you want to add your own face you can. Then we have choose reference, clone style. I have already introduced these things, so you can use these features. Then we have advanced section. In this section we have two things. One is aspect ratio, the second one is variation. So aspect ratio, when you are making long videos, so you can use 16:9, okay, and when you are making short, so you can select short. So I'm not selecting shorts because of my template creation. I just need to remove it. Now I can. So in variations, on one prompt you can get multiple thumbnails. Such thumbnails will be different. Two, if you want two, you can use two. On one prompt AI will give you two different type of thumbnails. On three it will give three different type of thumbnails. So it's up to you. Each thumbnail will charge or deduct 2 credits. So let's suppose I have selected one, so 2 credits. When I am selecting two, so it means 4 credits. So you can just multiply by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Then we have image to thumbnail. So in image to thumbnail you can also upload the existing thumbnail or drag it. Then we have another feature, you can also copy the YouTube video link here and AI will extract the thumbnail from that video. Select from asset in this section, like when you click here, so it will goes here to your existing thumbnails which you have already made on this AI. I have already made one thumbnail, so I will select here. So here you can see if I want to change it, or like if I want to modify it, or I want to make a new one just like this one, I can just select this one. After adding prompt what you want to add or remove in this thumbnail or in the new thumbnail, so you can also select templates. So I am removing this thumbnail. Okay, here in thumbnail from YouTube video link, so I will show you. I am using this link of the video. I have copied the video link and I'm pasting here from the YouTube like this. Just grab thumbnail, it will grab, so you need to wait. So here if I want to make my thumbnail just like this one, or you want changes in this thumbnail, you can just add here, tell the AI what you want. Then we have all the remaining sections or features same, just like in the text to thumbnail. So it's up to you. If you want to select template, already given template, add your face, choose reference or clone style, or then you just need to select how many variations you want. After that, you just need to click here on generate thumbnail. So it will just deduct your credit. Next section, recreate thumbs. This section is same like the create thumb. So in this section you can also again create or change existing template. You can add your prompt, you can just add your thumbnail, you can use it from your asset, and then you can add your face if you want. Choose template, it depends on you. You can again recreate your thumbnail. For example, I just want to recreate, so you can just add your thumbnail, you can use it from your asset, and then you can add your face if you want. Choose template, it depends on you. You can again recreate your thumbnail. For example, I just want to recreate, I just need to go here, I will just use it, reuse, regenerate. So it's up to you. They have multiple features. In recreate thumbs section we have the same availability of features, so we can use it. Means just changing, or we just want to change existing thumbnail which we have already created. So it's up to you if you want to recreate thumbnail. Then we have the template section, have different type of niche, and you can just go there and select according to your choice. So here you just need to create thumbnail or recreate thumbnail. Let's suppose if you want to create thumbnail which is a little bit different from this one, you just need to click here and give prompt according to your need, and this AI will use this type of colors and all these schemes in that thumbnail. But if you want just like this one and you just want to change the thumbnail, like all the settings in the existing thumbnail, you just need to click here on the recreate thumbnail and you can. So let's suppose if you want to change the face here in this thumbnail, you just need to go here and recreate thumbnail, or you can also go to create thumbnail, but in recreate thumbnail you just need to add your face and tell the AI that I just want to replace Mr. Beast's face, and select your own face there. So it's up to you. So here we have different type of templates. Then we have the downloader section. In this section we have three different things. One is single. In this you just need to copy and paste the link here of the YouTube video, and this AI will just extract the thumbnail, one thumbnail maybe or two, and it will charge or deduct your 1 credit per one thumbnail. Then in the batch you can extract multiple thumbnails on the basis of your video link, and in channels you just need to paste the whole channel link. AI will just extract all the thumbnails from the recent videos. Even you can change the quality setting here, like 4K, HD, SD, it's up to you. If you want in PNG or JPG, you just need to select. After that we have other tools, but it is not available yet. Will be very good thing for us when it will be available. Then asset and creation. Whenever you are making thumbnails on this AI or uploading, so AI will just store it here and you can again use these thumbnails. So here we have different type of features. You can delete it, you can again reuse, regenerate. Then we have download option, use for thumbs creation. This option will help you to make another thumbnail, but it will be changed, I think so, if you add prompt according to your video. So you just copy the color scheme, idea of this thumbnail, AI will use that thing just and change according to your demand. Don't copy and paste it as it is. So you just need to change. You can also like and dislike this thumbnail, and here is the scoring. So if the scoring is more than 70, AI will recommend that thumbnail for your YouTube video. But if it is less than 70, so it means thumbnail needs an improvement. But some people can also using such type of thumbnails on the video which have low scoring, but AI has a good selection. AI knows well about the SEO, all the things. I think so you just need more good scoring, but you can use this one. So it's up to you. Then we have my face and emotion section. In this section, and I love this section, you just need to give the name here. In this section you can upload your picture and then select the emoji according to your need, and this AI will generate that emotion in your picture, and you can use this picture in your thumbnail. So you can also use prompt to create. In this you just need to add your own desirable emotion which you want. Let's suppose if there is limited options available, so you can just use prompt to create and add type here about the emotion which you want. You just need to generate here, and then AI will deduct your 2 credits from your wallet. You can use such emotions in your thumbnail. So next part is I will use my prompt for making a thumbnail, and maybe I will use such thumbnail in this video. So let's go to make a thumbnail. I have already generated a prompt with the help of ChatGPT. I just need to copy, then I just need to paste here. I don't need to add anything. I will just make one. So I just need to click here on generate thumbnail. so it will take few minutes. So here we have the thumbnail, and now AI is analyzing, and then AI will give us the score. Oh, 73. Wow, that's great. So I can use this thumbnail for my video, and here you guys can check AI have detected 2 credits for my this thumbnail. That's all from my side. If you need any help, you just need to write in the comment. See you, take care, bye bye.